What is up, guys? It's back with a video, and today I'm going to show you how to make some Play-Doh. So as you're seeing, this is what I made right now. I made Play-Doh. So I'm going to leave. The things that we need are some 2 containers. I don't know what's my other container. Okay, so you need 2 containers. Some water. I have some water in here. Flour, salt, and some measuring cups, and some food coloring. So let me show you. So you want to add your wet ingredients in here. So you want to add your water in there. So I have water in there. As you see, I'm going to lift it up. There's water. So yeah. There's water. And then we're going to add some flour. So I'm going to use this, a medicine. And I'm going to put it in another one. Don't add it in the wet. Not yet. Okay, now we have some of that. Now you want to add some salt. Only one. Okay, now you want to mix the flour and the salt. Okay, now we have some of that. Now put the water in the flour. So put it like not a lot in, but like a little bit, and keep mixing. I have some platforms for if I accidentally spill. Okay. Sorry if you hear that music because my brother's watching Family Guy. So I'm gonna pour some, keep pouring in there. So we have some in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm holding some in there as you saw. Oh, okay. I just plopped it right out. Okay. I'm pouring some a little bit in there. Okay, so now we have it all together. Okay, now just put the bowls in the other side because we don't need to use them. I'm going to put this flour somewhere else. I'm going to put it over here. Okay. Now look, it's in Play-Doh. Conform. I made orange Play-Doh. As you can see it. Now I'm going to use this, some food coloring, so I'm using paint, by the way, so because I can't afford food coloring. I've seen a lot of people using some paint as food coloring because they couldn't afford something or they just wanted to. My hands are blue. And that's how you make Play-Doh. That's all I'm gonna do. I hope you follow these instructions. They're really simple, but I hope you liked it. Leave a big fat thumbs up. And I'll do another video on maybe slime or more Play-Doh, because Play-Doh, and I might do some like, this is really soft Play-Doh, by the way. This one's kind of crumbly, but this one's really well. So hope you liked it. Leave a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.